How to fix Ulta app issues? Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. To fix Ulta app issues, first make sure that your internet is not causing the error. You want to reset your internet connection. Once you reset your internet connection, you want to make sure that your internet is working fine. If you have enabled any VPNs, you want to toggle that off. Once you have made sure your ISP is not the issue and your internet is working fine, the second thing to do is check for app update. Head into your Play Store or App Store and search in for Ulta Beauty app and make sure that there is no any update option available. If there is update available, it means your app isn't updated to the latest version. So tap on update and update to the latest version. Even if you update the app or if there is no update, and you're still facing the error, then it can be a simple glitch or a bug. To fix that, first restart your device. Once you restart your device, if the issue is still not fixed, what you want to do is if you're using iOS, head into settings, head into general, head into iPhone storage and find the Ulta Beauty app. Open it up, tap on Offload App and upload the application. If this fixes the issue, you're good to go. If this doesn't, then what you want to do is you want to reinstall the application. As for Android device, you don't need to reinstall the application. First, clear the cache. If the app still doesn't work, clear the data, and that should fix the issue. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.